So now, of course, people still speculate that there is a possibility you would still run for president, that it's possible to replace
Well,
the
they say
PDP
that I am
Laban.
disqualified. I hope I'm disqualified.
No, you're not disqualified.
Sabi Manila noon sa itong kumilik na to, isa pa to. You should disqualify me or else I'll... Well, anyway,
But there's a chance that you could take the PDP Laban.
I am a
post.
PDP
I
laban.
mean the position.
I did not file my PDP laban dito kasi local aggregation lang ito. So if I'll file, hindi naman kailangan yung PDP laban for national. Pan-local lang ako because I said I just wanted to be a local. So ito lang ginamit ko. Pero kung gusto mo mag-PDP laban, I could always use the PDP laban because I have been a member of good standing.
Right.
But they say that I just say bad words from time to time. Kasi hindi ko mapigilan yung init ng ulo ko. Totoo lang.
Pero po, right now, you could be substituted for the PDP Laban.
I don't know, but whether I would want to be there or not is something else. I said,
Is that a possibility?
I told you to avoid me. I'm telling the Filipino people, wag ako, it's gonna be bloody.
It's a possibility.
Pati pahirapan. Yung sinabi ko, sumunod kayo within 6 months to 1 year, pag pinahirapan ninyo ako, then magmukha akong tanga, and I will just add my 6 years of inutility to be on the 24 hours of kalbaryo ninyo, huwag na lang ako. Marami dyan. Pero pag ako, yung the distinct possibility of closing ko, mabuti lang pag magkaintindihan. Sabihin ko, stop the PDAP, stop everything, and we live by our salaries. Diyan, hanggang dyan na lang tayo. Saka ba ko, and even in this matter of, alam mo dito sa Davao, hindi naman ako nagyayabang. Kasi totoo, I do not allow purchases of cars of 1 million. Avanza lang yan dito, it's about 700. I do not allow purchases. Hindi mo pera eh. Just be happy with the thought that you have a car there provided by government, including the gas. If you go more than just, hindi natin pera to. So, better start the business. Malakas naman ang bintahan ng durian.